Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. So today's episode is gonna be really interesting, and before we'll begin, if you are new here then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video then please don't forget to click the big thumbs up. Okay, so who is your biggest competition? Do you know about it? You know what, we all want to compete with each other's progress, and at the end it will become a reason of our own disappointment. Yes, you know what, you will never feel satisfaction. Why? Because you can do anything but still you will be one step ahead from someone, and you will be one step back from someone. Okay, so today I'll tell you about it, who is your real competition and how you can compete with it. Okay, so let's start with the first point, which is your procrastination. Yes, so if you have this attitude to delay your work, like I'll do this work later or I'll start this work on Monday, it means this is your biggest competition. So you should work on it. Okay, so second point is your ego. Yes, so if you believe like whatever you will do it will be right, and if you just think like whatever I'll say everybody should follow it, and you just feel like that you can't make any mistake, it means you have an ego problem, and this will be your biggest competition. So you should compete with this. Yes, so the next point is your attitude, not to learn anything new. Yes, so if you have this attitude that I knew everything and I don't need to learn from someone, or I have all the knowledge, it means you have this mindset that you don't need to learn anything new, which is totally wrong, because you can't learn anything, you can't learn everything all the time. So if you have this attitude, then you should change it, and this will be your biggest competition. Okay, so next point is discipline. Yes, so self-discipline is controlling your actions. So if you don't have control on your own actions, it means you will never do something which you want in your life, because you are not disciplined. You always find a reason that how I can delay this work. And so if you have this mindset, if you want to be able to control your own actions, then it will become your biggest competition. Next point is your self-doubt. Yes, if you always doubt in yourself that whatever you are doing is not right, and you just feel like that I think I am going wrong, and I don't feel confident enough to do that. So if you have this self-doubt, it means this will be your biggest competition, because you don't want to fight with it. That's all I got here for today. I hope you learned something from it, and if you like, then please let me know in comment section. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram account, which is positivevibes590. Hey guys, so bye bye, take care. I'll meet you very soon in my next video. Till then, stay positive.